Care Bears countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Who's that coming from somewhere up in the sky?
Hi, welcome to our land. How you doing? It's been a while. It's been almost a month. Leah's been having a real bad day today because they haven't changed her schedule yet. Or they didn't, and she can't change to my class, which really makes me really mad. I'm back, what's good, and I'm sorry. I said I was gonna do a giveaway, but I can't do a giveaway because I'm poor, so, yeah. So I'm gonna surprise Malia with the merch. I haven't told her it's here at all because I'm gonna be like a David Dobrik and, blindfold her and do that jazz. You, didn't, though. First, I'm gonna go to McDonald's and eat. Go get some food. I'm probably not gonna eat inside. No, we just gonna get some through the drive-thru. Yeah, so let's go. I'm not gonna film my driving because I don't want to die. But I just want you all to know that I'm really grateful for the 100 subscribers. This means a lot to me. Never thought that people would actually want to watch me. Cool, someone is watching me film. Cool. Just need a cheeseburger and a small fry.
Alright, cheeseburger, small fry. It's gonna be $2.20 at your first window.
Thank you. It's a truck, it makes you feel good. It's really packed, but that's okay. I feel like Trisha paid this, so that's why I filmed my order, but here's money. Ha. I'm prepared.
Tell her, and following weekend I'll be gone. I'm just gonna be gone a lot. I really want to make these. I feel like this is pretty simple to make, but somehow I messed up.
Dad, we got our dollar tip merch.
You're not supposed to be happy?
Yeah, be happy. Be happy that I could actually afford this.
You couldn't.
But I paid for it. So we're picking up Malia, we're just waiting on her. I usually bring Gray with me because he likes the ride. But yeah. What a fun time. Whoa, whoa. You excited to get Malia? Huh? You excited to get Malia? Yeah? You want Malia? And plus, when Malia actually gets here, I'm not gonna actually vlog her coming into the car because I don't want her to suspect anything. So we're gonna play a little scavenger hunt game. What? We're gonna play a scavenger hunt game. Whoa, you wanna play? I get fat. Okay. Whoa, your pillows are looking strangely bigger. Whoa, what? Open it. It's so cute. It's so big though. And remember, I told you I didn't know what happened to it. These are huge. Yeah, but we can tie them up. It's okay. It's great. I love that. We love that. Can we go to Mexican? Yeah, that's where we're going tonight. Yeah! Or I can sleep in it and it's comfortable. Cute. We love a look on.
Sissy that wow.
Okay, but this is everything. It's so cute. I love it so much. My makeup today is real good. Oh my god, I love that. So did I get you? Haha. Yeah, I mean, kinda. But you really did, honestly. It's so cute though, and it is really soft.
They're actually really soft. Yeah, they are. Our shirt, yeah, these shirts are actually really soft.
I got it. We finna go inside and eat. Yum. We're sipping, we're eating queso, we're just having a good time. Yum. Yeah, but me and Malia did this once before, and then I was like, let's do it again. Well, it was Malia's idea. So come back whenever we had our DOLAN twin merch. Yum. Yes. What was yours called again? It's there. And I got the kids Mexican pizza because I'm actually 2, so don't tell. Thanks. Oh no. How would you rate this meal? 68. How would you rate this meal? Off the charts, baby. Whoa. Pizza in my mouth. Zooey mama.
What's your rating out of 10? 68. What about you? Off the charts, baby. Pizza in my mouth. Zooey mama.
Do you stand rain? I know I don't. That's the vlog.
If you can dream, just send a wish out in the dark and do not care, baby.